Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, let's explore the 5 amazing free sticker packs for your iPhone or iPad that will spice up your iMessage conversations. These stickers are not just fun, but also a great way to express yourself creatively. That's it, let's get started. So first off, I would like to talk about Mouse Cat. If you are a cat lover, this is perfect for you. This pack features a cute animated cat stickers that capture a range of emotions from playful to grumpy. With 56 stickers in the free version, you can communicate every mood with charm. Additional stickers are available for purchase if you want to expand your collection. Next up, I would like to talk about the Angry Birds stickers. Based on the beloved game, this pack brings characters like Chuck and Bone to life with vivid animations. Whether you are feeling joyful or need to convey frustration, these animated birds add a dynamic touch to your chats. They are colorful, expressive, and guaranteed to make your messages pop. For a romantic touch, check out Love stickers. This pack is perfect for couples or anyone who loves a bit of sweetness in their messages. With heartwarming designs featuring a love you notes and couple-themed illustrations, it's an excellent way to personalize your messages. You can even layer these stickers onto photos or other iMessages for added creativity. And now is the right time to talk about Toco Light Paper Bag Cat. The sticker pack is full of quirky and humorous cat characters, making it great for light-hearted conversations. So whether you want to display grumpiness, excitement, or affection, these stickers cover every mood with a playful twist. They are perfect for breaking the ice or adding laughter to your chats. And finally, I would like to take your attention to animal stickers. This pack includes over 250 free stickers, ranging from adorable animals to playful characters. It's perfect for adding fun and whimsy to any conversations. What's cool about this pack is the ability to drag and drop stickers onto messages, giving even more customization options. And there you have it. To get these packs, just head over to iMessage App Store, search for sticker pack names, and then download them as usual. And once installed, you can access them directly within iMessage. You can use these stickers to liven up your chats, share your emotions, or simply bring a smile to someone's face. And that's it for today's guide on the best free sticker packs for iPhone and iPad. Now don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such content. I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.